Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Cross DJ Pro for free. Download the Cross DJ Pro APK file from our Telegram channel. The link is provided below in the description. After downloading, open to install and follow the on-screen instructions. How Cross DJ Pro, the latest version, looks like. You can also join our Telegram channel for more updates. Now in our next video, I'm going to show you how you can add customized sound effects to your Cross DJ Pro app. Thank you for watching.
Kama inakubamba ambia selector tena. Oh yeah.